Hey everyone, we're delving into the much-awaited PlayStation 5 Pro today. After unpacking and basic setup, I've been using it for a week. Now is the time to investigate all it has to offer, from new settings and features to PS5 and PS4 game performance improvements. Let's begin. It is very easy to set up the PS5 Pro, particularly if you have already set up a PS5. The Pro is made to work in both vertical and flat orientations, depending on your preference. Attach the plastic feet that stabilize the console and come with the package for a horizontal arrangement. You will need to buy a vertical stand separately if you would rather set up vertically. It would have been good to emphasize Pro-enhanced titles with new Pro-specific symbols or labels, but Sony hasn't done so. Significant internal improvements are made with the PS5 Pro, including enhancements to the GPU, storage, and performance. The original PS5's capacity has been doubled with the addition of a 2TB SSD. The NVMe slot can also be used to add extra storage. The Pro's graphical processing power is increased by 67% thanks to an improved custom GPU that adds 6 teraflops for rendering. While PlayStation's Spectral Super Resolution uses AI upscaling to produce spectacular 4K pictures from lower resolutions, advanced ray tracing enhances images with realistic reflections and shadows. Thanks to these improvements, PS5 Pro enhanced games may now operate at greater frame rates and resolutions, often 60 or even 120 FPS, while still preserving excellent image quality. PS5 Pro improvements have already been made to a number of games, and more are anticipated to follow. Highlights include the following. Both Performance Pro and Fidelity Pro settings are available in Spider-Man 2. Thanks to PSSR, Performance Pro operates at a fluid 60 frames per second while maintaining the visual clarity of Fidelity mode. This Pro-enhanced rendition is a fantastic demonstration of what the Pro can accomplish because it activates a Pro mode that strikes a balance between performance and quality. Horizon Zero Dawn, with the Performance Pro and Resolution Pro settings available in this game, you can select between fluid gameplay at 60 frames per second or improved graphics at 30 frames per second. With several modes that strike a balance between frame rate, resolution, and graphical fidelity, other games such as God of War, Ragnarok, Final Fantasy VII Rebirth, and Ratchet & Clank Rift Apart also highlight the Pro's potential. The PS5 Pro provides a remarkable improvement over the base model in terms of gaming. Both new and older games now have clearer visuals with improved reflections and smoother frame rates thanks to PSSR and sophisticated ray tracing. I tested Spider-Man 2, The Last of Us Part 2 Remastered, and Horizon Zero Dawn, and each time the performance was fluid with little graphic quality loss. The best compromise is provided by the new Performance Pro mode, which lets players experience the feel and appearance of Fidelity mode while keeping a steady 60 frames per second. Significant improvements to the PS5 environment are brought about by the PS5 Pro, particularly for those who want to maximize the benefits of 4K displays and next-generation graphics. It's the perfect option for gamers that appreciate excellent graphics and performance because of its larger SSD, enhanced GPU, and capabilities like PSSR. The main enhancements make it a valuable upgrade for dedicated players, even though it lacks some visual elements like a distinctive user interface or pro-specific iconography. If you have any questions or are thinking about getting the PS5 Pro, please leave them below, and I would be pleased to assist you. Have a nice day and God bless you.